Hello friends, welcome back once again. As promised earlier, today we will discuss the extended part of multiplication. So let us begin our class today. Suppose we are given with a couple of matrices like let A be let A equal to 2, not 2, 1, 2, 3 minus 1 and B as 2, 1, 0, 3. So now we have to find the product of these two matrices. We have to find AB. So for solving problems like this, we have got a certain formula for multiplication of two order matrices. Like over here, the order of these two matrices are 2 by 2, which means they are having two rows and two columns. So for this kind of problems, we have to use this formula. First row, I am writing row as R. First row of A into first column of B. I'm writing column as COL. Then second row of A into first column of B. Similarly, first row of A into second column of B. Then second row of A into second column of B. So by using this formula, we will solve this question. So over here, it is given that A 132 minus 1 and B 2103. So we will put the elements over here. Like first row of A means this line 1 and 3 is the first row of A. So therefore, we will take 1 over here. First row of A into first column of B, and 20 is the first column of B. So we will take this 2 over here. And as we have got two rows and two columns, so we'll have to take each and every element separately. So in the same manner, we will take 3 and 0. We will put the plus sign over here. So we will take 3 and we will multiply it with 0. So we have got first row of A and first column of B. Similarly, second row of A. Second row of A is 2 and minus 1. So we will take this 2 over here and first column of B 2 over from here. And then we will put the plus sign and we will again take the second row of A, that is minus 1, and we will multiply it with 0. Similarly, we will take first row of A, that is 1 over here, and we will multiply it with the second column of B, which means 1. This 1 we will take over here, and then in the same way we will take again 3 and we will multiply it with this second column of B, that is 3. It is because in these sums the number of orders are similar. We have got two rows and two columns. That is why we have to take each and every individual separately. That is why we have put this plus sign over here, and we have taken the first row of A and the first column of B, and similarly we have also taken the another number of the first row and the other number of the first column also. So now we will move to the question. Second row of A we will put over here, that is second row of A, which means these two. Second row of A into second column of B, which means 2 into is 1, plus minus 1 second row of A into the second column of B, which means 3. So now we will calculate this and we will get our answer. 1 2 is 2 plus 3 2 0, which means 2. 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 is 9, which means 10. 2 into 2 plus 0, we will get 4. And 2 into 1 2, and minus 3, we will get minus 1. So this is our required answer. So the product AB of these two matrices is 2 10 4 minus 1. You have to first understand this formula, then only you can solve this entire problem. I hope I have been very much easy to make you understand this, and you may pause this video and you may note it down. Just get this formula clear, you can solve any multiplication sum of matrices. Now let us move to another question of matrix, which is going to be the last question of this chapter. Now find x and y if x 3x y 4y 2 1 is equal to 5 12. So by using that formula we will solve this one. Like we have x 3x y. So now if we use the formula we will get it. First row of A, let us take this as A and this as B. So first row of A into first column of B. So we will get directly 2x and plus 3x we will get over here. It's because 3x into 1, 3x. Similarly, second row of A into first column of B. So we will get 2y over here. And in the same way we will get 4y. Now 2x plus 3x, 2y plus 4y equal to 5 by 12. Now in the last class we have learned that the corresponding elements of the two matrices are always equal. So we can take 2x plus 3x equal to 5 and 2y plus 4y equal to 12. Therefore 5x equal to 5 and 6y equal to 12. Therefore from here we can get the value of x as 1 and y as 2. So therefore the value of x and the value of y is x is 1 and y is 2. So by using the formula of finding the product of the two matrices, we got the value of x as 1 and y as 2. So now this comes to an end to our chapter matrices. So I hope you have got this chapter very much clear, and I don't think you will face any difficulty in solving any problems based on this chapter. So thank you so much for being with us, and please support us with our tutorial. If you have any query, then you may mail us at the given email ID. You may also comment us at the comment section below the video, and stay tuned for our next updates, which we will definitely upload very soon. And till then, all the best for the future. Practice hard and practice all the sums of this chapter. Thank you.